97 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add to the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. To look, 2 goes into 9 how many times? 5 times 10, which is greater, so we have to stop here. 4 times. 4 times 2 8, subtract 1, bring down this 7. 2 goes into 17 how many times? 9 times 18, which is greater, so 8 times. 8 times 2 16, right? 16. Subtract, you are getting 1, so your answer is 48, remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, just take here decimal point and you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Now you have 10. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 5 times. But before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 10, and if you subtract you are getting 0. So 48.5 is your answer.